Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. So I got this parcel from Ram Babu from Andhra Pradesh. So without wasting any time, let me tear this down. So this has come from professional couriers from Andhra Pradesh to Bangalore here. So this is the parcel. So let me tear this down and see what is there. So alright, this is the earbuds. The problem is battery backup. So you can see this is the model. So this is JBL tuned 225 TWS. So I'm going to replace the battery of these two earbuds because the battery backup is not good. So alright, the case is fine. Here we have to take this apart, this part, so that we can take the old battery and install the new battery. Taking this out is a bit challenge because without breaking we have to take this out. So we have to give heat. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of the one side, and other side I'm going to replace by myself, so that because both will be similar. So let me take out one and I will replace the battery. So this part we have to remove. Battery should be here. Battery is here. Alright, now I'm going to give some heat here so that I can pry this and take this out easily without breaking or without having any marks here. Alright, so I have heated this. Now I have pried little bit. You can see it is coming out like this very easily. So this is the internal look. You can see without marking I have taken this out. So this is the battery. So I have the new battery here which I am going to install. So this is the battery which I am going to take out. So you can see this is the flex cable. You have to be very careful. You may end up breaking the flex cable. If you break, then the earbuds will be of no use. So let's see the specification. Before that, I'm going to desolder the wire here. If you want, you can see here. You can see the specification. It is of 22 milliamperes, 3.85 volts, and 0.085 watt hour. So this is the old battery. So instead of this, I'm going to install this battery. So this is the brand new battery. You can see the specification here. This is 3.8 volts. This is very rarest battery, 30 mAh. This is of bit bigger size. The battery backup will be bit good, I think, according to me. So maximum voltage is given 4.35 voltage. 0.114 watt hour is the new battery, that is 30 mAh, but in this it is 22 mAh. So the size is also little bit bigger, but I can manage it fixing this battery to the earbuds. So alright, without wasting any time, let me take this out. You have to be very careful here while taking out, because minus and plus is there and there is very tiny space to solder. You have to use some DC soldering before taking out these wires. Please note the color code here. Red is plus, black is minus. So red should go to that point and black should go to this point. You should not interchange, otherwise it will be the battery will burn the motherboard. So alright, let me desolder it. You can see that side is red and this side is black. Before installing the new battery, let's check the voltage of this battery here, and I will show the voltage of the new battery as well. So I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here. So let's check the voltage. The voltage of the battery is there. It is not giving the backup because the storage of the current has gone bad. The battery is not storing the current, but it is storing the voltage. But in this new battery, it will store voltage and as well as current. So backup will be more. Let's see the voltage of this new battery here. So you can see 3.97 already it is there, but comparing the size, it is bit bigger. You can see. So the size is little bit bigger. Because of that, the mAh is also increased. It is 30 mAh, the new battery. I think the space is there. We can manage it. So alright, let me try fixing this in the new earbud. Now before installing, I want to clean the charging terminals points here. So I am going to use isopropyl alcohol to clean that. I have already dipped isopropyl alcohol in this cloth, so I am going to clean it. It will become like new again. So you can see the terminals might be clean and shiny. So it will go back to this point. Now we have to install the battery. Let's see the space here. So now you can see I have installed the new battery. Showing this in video is difficult to solder these tiny wires. I may burn the plastic here, so I don't want to do that. So I have soldered it already. So this part it is fine. Now I have adjusted because the length of this is bit bigger, the capacity of this battery is bit more, so I have adjusted the battery height somewhat. So now it is perfectly fitting. I have closed it and tested it. Similarly, now I am going to replace the other earbuds battery and I will come back immediately. So now you can see I have installed the battery of the other side here as well. This is the right side. So these are the two batteries which I have taken out from the earbuds, both earbuds. So this is one side, this is other side. I have closed it already. Now I am going to show this just by keeping like this. I will show you the closing this thing. I'm going to show you how to close it. It's very simple. I'm just going to clip it. Later I am going to paste this. Just I want to show the working functionality and I want to test the working functionality here as well. You can see. So this is completely back to its place. This loose thing is because of the pasting. I have to apply paste for the both sides. Now I am going to show the working functionality of these two earbuds and I will close this and I will wind up the video. Let's listen the audio quality. Please put on the earphones or headphones so that you can listen the audio quality of this model as well. And I am going to use my studio mic here. Alright, so let me connect this to smart device and I will immediately play the song. Now you can see it is connected to the smart device. The battery backup, battery charged percentage is 50. So it should be charged. I have to keep this in the charging case. Before that, let me play the song and wind up the video. This is the other side. So this is the audio after replacing the batteries. These are the old batteries, new batteries is installed. Now I have to paste it. So let me paste this and come back. So I am going to use this B7000 glue here. I am just going to apply at this points here so that it will hold this cup, this housing. So there are 4 points here. Top side there is a clip, so no need to apply the glue here. The clip will hold the cover housing here. Alright, so I have pasted it and it is completely clean and tidy. Work is very clean and it is working perfectly as I shown now just now, and I will show you the charging functionality here as well. So just I am going to open this and install this. You can see the light is glowing here, the earbuds light. So this is charging perfectly and I am going to show you the other side here as well. So after inserting, you can see, so this is the tiny light and this side it glows here and here. So perfectly charging and even charging case is perfect. So this is the repair video, battery replacement of JBL Tune 225 TWS. So if you'd like to do battery replacement of this kind of earbuds like this JBL Tune 225 TWS, then please do message on the above WhatsApp number. There are so many videos already uploaded in this channel, AudioViz 360. Please go through the videos and if you like, please do like, share and subscribe to AudioViz 360. So I have already replaced the batteries of so many TWS like JBL, Bose, Jabra, so many models. So if you want me to do battery replacement, kindly please do message on this number. As I said earlier, I am located in Bangalore. So if you are out of from Bangalore, Karnataka, then please do message and you can courier it to me directly using speed post. Speed post will be very cheaper. So if you send it, I can replace the batteries and I will send it back to you using the same speed post from India Post. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to AudioViz 360. And I want to specially thank Mr. Ram Babu from Andhra Pradesh. So I am going to send this back to him tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Bye.